Welcome to Highway Legends. Today we're shifting our focus to an exciting machine in the entry-level sport bike segment, the new 2026 Suzuki GSX250R. Known for its sleek styling, reliable engineering, and beginner-friendly nature, the GSX250R has earned a strong reputation among new riders and daily commuters. The 2026 model brings subtle refinements that make it sharper, smoother, and more enjoyable for all types of riders. Let's take a closer look at what's new. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Suzuki GSX250R features a refreshed sporty appearance inspired by Suzuki's larger GSX lineup. The front fairing now carries a more aggressive shape with redesigned LED headlamps for a cleaner, modern look. The bodywork is slightly streamlined for improved aerodynamics, and the graphics have been updated to give the bike a more dynamic presence on the road. New color options and revised decals help the GSX250R stand out, whether it's cruising through the city or carving weekend twisties. Performance and powertrain. Powering the 2026 GSX250R is the trusted 248 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, tuned for smooth power delivery and excellent fuel efficiency. Suzuki has refined the throttle response and reduced mechanical vibrations for a more comfortable ride, especially during longer commutes. The 6-speed transmission remains crisp, and the lightweight chassis makes the bike easy to handle for riders of all experience levels. Suspension settings have been updated for improved stability, and the bike offers better low-end torque thanks to minor internal adjustments. Safety and technology. Suzuki equips the 2026 GSX250R with enhanced braking performance, featuring ABS for added safety in unpredictable road conditions. The digital instrument cluster has been upgraded with clearer graphics, offering better visibility during day and night riding. Riders also get improved LED lighting all around and more intuitive switchgear. While the bike remains simple and rider-focused, the small technology